Hey guys, welcome back, man. Still nippy out there. Got a little snow. We got some snow in last night. What can we do, man? It's Mother Nature. And garbage don't stop. Let's get to work. So yeah, man, I got my own route. Pretty much I do the same work. Every week. I get here and there a few calls sometimes. If I want to help out with somebody else's route or something, if I want to pick something up to somebody else, I'll do it. I don't mind. Get out for this container because it's heavy. I don't know, you do some type of cabinet or something. And I got a cable here, so I gotta back out a little bit more. There you go. Let me see if you guys see it. Alright, back out. Tablet's kind of slow today, man. I don't know what's going on with it. There's another stop, but that goes on Tuesdays only, so once a week. Man. Look at that car, man. That's big. Guys, let me demonstrate you guys since the wall has some light right now. I have no faulty lights here. I don't know the reason why the wall doesn't want to come back. You see, I'm pressing on it. The wall doesn't want to retract. So I have to go dump whatever I have in here and check behind that wall and see what's preventing it from coming back. Probably a bolt or a nut, some metal or something from the track where that wall slides, and I have to go back there and figure it out. We'll see. Alright, I'm about to dump. Let me see what door. He gives me a door. Alright, 4. Alright. Give me door 4. Yeah. Let's go, baby. guys will see the wall will work now because the tailgate opens up completely. So that's the only way that wall is gonna operate now. It's just gonna let me dunk. It won't come back all the way. You guys will see. Look, still not coming back. It's not even moving. I press it to compress, and it's gonna let me dump all that trash. Yeah. No significant garbage in it. Okay. Back down. Let's go. Alright guys, so I just have 4.45 tons, which is nothing. It's crazy. I gotta go check what's obstructing that wall from coming back. This is crazy. I came back in here. I don't see anything on the tracks, so I don't see anything significant. So I could prevent the wall from coming back. It's a piece of bone. Chicken bone. I don't know. I guess we'll have to try. Or maybe this can was preventing it from coming back. I'll just throw it over. Alright. Keep on doing it. I got no leaks. Alright. Alright guys, let's see if this works now. PTO pump is on. Alright. Oh, okay. It must have been that can of paint that was preventing it from coming back, so. Alright. We back in business, baby. Let's go. Put the arms up. Remember. Cars are closed. Seatbelt on. Let's go. A story about the style right here. Oh, wow. It's loaded. Jesus. So I came in here one day, same time as now. Right now it's 1:35. So I'm approaching the can and I hooked the can and with the business. Hook the can, pick it up. As soon as I pick this can up, there was a guy behind the can and he was pretty upset. I don't know why. See, it's not working. This is happening. I don't know. He was upset, so I picked up the can, put it right back down. He just went about his way. I went about my way. If I find the picture, I'll put it down below so you guys can see. I took a picture of him. I guess that's why he was upset. But yeah, that's one of the bizarre stuff you see out here in the garbage. Not just that, there's a bunch of other stuff. You'd be surprised. gotta put this cardboard can out here. Meantime, I pick up a can back there. There was one time I left this outside. It's crazy. I totally forgot, man. It's so much work. When it was like, alright, whatever. They gave me the stop next day to come and pull it in here. Put the can right back in front of this one. In front of mine. Typically, trash is this is the first one we get. Cardboard's behind it. Well, here at this stop is how it is. Alright. I pick things up and I put them down. Look at that. How many seconds? I don't even know. When you guys watch this video, count. Let me know. I wasn't so good at math, so that's why I'm here. Right back there. That's it. Let's go. Alright, this stop right here. I gotta come in here quiet. I turn my lights off. It's kind of crazy. I gotta do that, but yeah, I don't want to wake up the neighbor next door to this customary location. Try to minimize the noise, you know. Lights. Yeah, you guys can see. Hard to see, but only way I can do it is the house right here. Turn it on now. It's not facing the house. Let's load it. That. Yeah. Quiet as possible, man, because yeah. There you go. I drop it. I got as close as I can to the wall, but I just leave it right there. Plus some old wood back to the wall.